In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start investing with just £100, even if you're a complete beginner. But before starting, it's best to know how efficiently you could invest so that your £100 could grow tax-free. Okay? There are mainly two options: general investment account and individual savings accounts. Now, in general investment account, your limit is only £3,000, so any gains and profits above £1,000 is subject to taxation. And the second option is individual savings account, where your limit is £20,000 per person tax-free. So you can invest £20,000 tax-free, and whatever profits or gains you get on that is completely tax-free forever. Now, this second option is gaining more popularity these days, and you might think why. It's because government is planning to limit or scrap cash ISA. Well, this is not the subject of this video. I have explained different types of ISA account in my another video, so please watch out that video for better explanation and all the information I have highlighted in there. I firmly believe that complexity is the enemy of execution, and that's why we'll go with the stocks and shares ISA, which in my opinion is the easiest one. So what is stocks and shares ISA? Stocks and shares ISA is a tax-free investment account where you literally don't pay any taxes. Imagine you have a big safe vault where you can store your hard-earned money, and you don't pay any taxes on the capital invested or on its growth of its investments, such as profits and gains. In the UK, you don't need to pay any taxes on ISA investment accounts. However, you can invest of up to £20,000 each tax year, which is a total ISA limit given to each and every UK resident. Which means if you are investing in any other ISAs, such as cash ISA or lifetime ISA, also known as LISA, then you need to remember your total limit, which is £20,000 each tax year. This tax year for this particular ISA starts from 6th of April and ends at 5th of April. So the ISA allowance for 2024-2025 is £20,000, which is same as the previous year. However, the ISA limit for junior ISA is £9,000 for 2024-2025. And remember, these £20,000 ISA limit is given to each and every UK resident in the most transparent manner. Please don't miss your tax-free savings and open your ISA account now if you haven't already. Now, how to open a stocks and shares ISA account in the UK? There are different ways where you can open this type of account. You can pop into one of your high street local branch and you can open an account. If they are closed, then you can go online and apply there. The second way is you can choose an online platform and you can open an account online. I prefer the investment platform, and I found this is one of the easiest way to open an account in the UK. How to choose an investment platform? A platform is nothing but just a tool to systemize your investing journey. I personally use Invest Engine as my investment platform, and my wife uses Trading 212. However, this is not my personal recommendation, so please do your own research. In my opinion, Trading 212 and Invest Engine are commission-free platforms, and in fact, I did a bit of research beforehand. Please do your own research. Before choosing any platform, please make sure that your platform is protected by FSCS and it is FCA registered. Now, FSCS, Financial Services and Compensation Scheme. Now, this basically steps in if the financial institution or any firm, such as banks or in financial service providers or platforms like these, goes out of business and can't pay your claim. So in the UK, we get FSCS protection of up to £85,000. FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. The FCA aims to ensure that financial products and services are marketed and sold fairly, and they are not misleading. Now, what is the easiest method to invest in stock market? Honestly speaking, I'm not a professional stock analyst or financial trader. However, I've read in the book somewhere that most investors do lose money if they invest actively, such as if they invest in stocks directly, and even most of the mutual funds are not beating the index as well. So it's better to invest via ETF, which is exchange traded fund, or index funds through passive way of investing. And this is, in my opinion, one of the simplest method which I've come across, where you don't need to worry anything, and automatically, systematically, you can invest your hard-earned money. Now let's understand what is ETF or index fund. An index fund or ETF, exchange traded fund, basically tracks the performance of a specific market benchmark such as index, where all the popular companies have listed their stocks, like the popular S&P 500, where all 500 top American companies have listed their stocks into that particular exchange or index. Rather than investing in a one particular company such as Tesla or Nvidia or Apple, it's best to diversify your risk and to invest into top 500 companies. It is the smartest way of investing, and that's why people do refer this as a passive style of investing. So now let's invest £100 and show you how it works. It's very easy, and in this example I'm going to invest £100 by using trading 212, although I use Invest Engine, and this is a Bulgaria based company, although they have registered their company in UK as well, so we don't need to worry, and they are both FSCS and FCA registered, which means if this platform goes bust, then your money is protected. Now when you click on to trading 212 platform, then it will show this kind of screen. Basically I've just created an account separately into my phone, so that's why this is a different screen, but you'll be prompted with 4-5 major accounts. The first is invest, which in my opinion looks like a general investment account, so we'll leave it that. The CEFD stands for difference, which is more for trading and all that stuff, where you can do a lot of other things, but I don't focus on that. And we as a beginner investor should start simple, and cash ISA in my opinion is very less attractive option, so we'll choose this option, trading 212 stocks ISA. So I'm in the correct option. So in this first option, the another thing which is different compared to Invest Engine, which is not the topic of the day. Invest Engine platform is just purely for ETF, whereas this one is for everything. You can buy individual stocks as well in here. So in this screener, you can check most popular ETFs. So most popular ETFs are VUSA, VUAG, VWRP. These are the Vanguard, which is American based company. So Vanguard S&P 500, it comes in distribution and accumulation. So DIST stands for distribution, ACC, which is accumulation. We have Vanguard FTSE All World as well. In this ETF, you will find all top companies in the world. So that is a very simple method. So let's try 500, which is very popular. And so in this VUAG, don't go with the price. You have other options as well. So at the moment 92.33, that is the price. So this is going to be, I don't know whether they would allow me to execute a transaction or not, but you can choose £100 like that, and then review order. And this is market buy. This is yeah, so commission free. There is no commission, as you can see, guys. And by investing £100, you are buying 1.083% of the shares. So number of shares you are getting, these 1.083 shares you are getting. And send by order. So order is placed Sunday. So Monday they'll open the market, and then they will do the transaction. I'm finding this trading 212 is very easy to understand. Yeah, so these are the top 4 accounts we have, and price alerts, how you can manage your fund. So you can either deposit or withdraw. The easiest option is to deposit via bank transfer, and price alerts as well. So that's also very good. You can create your price alert. So if the price of that particular share goes above that particular price limit, then it will automatically basically execute the transaction. So this is a very, very good thing. And so guys, this is very simple, anyone can understand. That's why I'm basically loving this app. and you can create your own pie as well. So you can choose your own investment options, and such as different type of ETFs or individual stocks, and you can create a pie as well. So if you would like to know more about the actual thing, then my recommendation for you would be you can just check the ticker symbol, which is VUAG, and then after I can show you a website. I use HL, which is Hargreaves Lansdowne, and I can go to their screener. I can put in VUAG, and then it will show me what is all the information, such as investors information document, but in general we call it offer document. So please read these carefully. So this will show you how volatile the fund it is, what is their fee and everything. So this is listed in London Stock Exchange, and so your management fee is ongoing charge or total expense ratio, which is 0.07 percentage. So let's say, for example, if you deposit 10,000 pounds, then it will take £7. So they'll show you what is the full breakdown of total 5 years charges, and everything in the most efficient and the most transparent manner. So I like this app, so I suggest you guys to also have another app. It's called HL, Hargreaves Lansdowne. If you want to buy, you can do that, but to be honest with you, it is very expensive to buy via this Vanguard fund, because the issue is they are very expensive, and this is their fees. So management fee, another fee, fund size, this is just like information, but this is their fee. So investment charges is 19.78 in order to execute transaction. What will be the total 5-year fee and things like that. So it's up to you guys. If you would like to pay fee for the same thing free of charge via Trading 212 or Invest Engine, you can do so. Otherwise you can pay the fee. I am not recommending any of the platform providers because I'm not sponsored by them. Please do your own research, guys, and then you can make your own decision. So if you find this video helpful, then please do hit a subscribe button and show me some love and subscribe to my channel, please.